Hi, my name is Monica Parks, and I just want to let you know, if you are thinking about hiring Kathi, she is the woman to work with you. This room was overwhelming. I don't know if you can see this wall, but it was about up to here, and it's been that way for 3 years. I've just felt overwhelmed. Then I knew Kathi was coming, and I just felt motivated. I have to go back just a little bit and say that I've hired 2 other people, and I had to. I couldn't work with them. So they didn't know what they were doing. Kathi knows what she's doing. So she's got lots of hints and tips. She's got a freedom filing system that is incredible. All I feel now is relief.
Fantastic. And so tell me about this project right here.
Okay. It's not going to stay this way, but Kathy's helped me set this up. This is photographs from the 50s, 60s, 70s, until we stopped having print photographs. What I'm going to do now is just pick out the ones I want, the rest are going, and shoot pictures of those, put them in the cloud. Kathi showed me how to do that.
Yeah, and the reason that we're doing it by category first, so that you can weed out what you don't want, and then as you shoot them, they're going to go into Google Photos into a chronological order. You won't have to sort them later.
Thank you.
Yeah, so that's a good thing. So you did great work. So we have right here just a few more things to sort. I mean, we started out with what? Up to the wall in bins of photos. So we've gotten rid of a lot of stuff. And then this closet, how do you feel about this closet right here?
Much better, because all this stuff was on the floor and in the way, and now it's out of the way. This is going to be my sewing table. You will not be seeing this. Those are maps that are going out of the way. My sister made this table one time. She broke her leg, and I really like it, and I'm able to use it for my music.
Yep.
And I would like to say one thing. All this is going. These are going to different areas of the house. So this is not staying in here. It's out of the way. This I have to sort and put away.
Yeah, so we went through all your journals. We ended up with a lot of empty journals over here. So now you can shop your empty journals right here whenever you want to start a new journal. And then the other journals you can go through and divide and conquer however you want to do it. So I really appreciate it. We're in Austin, Texas, and this has been a fun project, Monica.
Thank you for working with me.
Absolutely.
And I'd like to say, you're going to feel a lot of emotions if you do this, but Kathi's not only got good guidelines, but she's flexible. If you say, I can't do that right now, okay. And then soon enough, I came around. So
we came back around. We came back around to the map project, right? So these are all maps. We got rid of a bunch of them. But, she's a bike rider. So, there's a lot of stuff that you need for trails and whatnot. And I'd love to show them what you came up with your bikes. Do you want to show them how you organize your bikes?
Absolutely.
Oh, this is so cool. Monica actually came up with this on her own. This is a great way to organize bicycles, friends. Look at this.
This is a piece of furniture that's leaving, but this is called, you can get any hooks, but this one happens to be called the hanger. It's from German. Your home is where your bike hangs.
I love it. Your home is where your bike hangs.
I apologize for this piece of furniture was in that room, and it's going out. I just have to wait for manpower. I need muscle.
Yep, exactly. We'll get that hauled away. Good job, Monica. You rocked it. We've only really worked 2 days tops at the most.
Not even full days. That's how much we've accomplished.
Yeah. Thank you.